Hi everyone, every two, every three. Hello, oy. I have something to ask you. What is that? Did you win? Oh, she win a lottery.
Lotto.
Lotto.
No, don't post them.
It's okay. You're beautiful in white. I have something to ask you.
Yes, what is that?
Okay. What do you do in Saudi if you feel boring?
What?
What do you do in Saudi Arabia if you feel boring?
I want to eat someone. Boring. Boring because of what? Like what? Give me.
Boring. Yani, you're bored. Everything.
I want rest.
Just you want to rest.
Yes.
But you tell me first that you will eat something.
I want to eat someone. The alien.
Oh my God.
The alien. I want to eat the alien and then I rest.
Where you found the alien?
Hey, Saudi Arabia.
Fikir alien.
Fi itnin.
Ngana. Ah. Wow. Oh, wow. Ngana. So, ganun talaga guys. Para mawala yung boring mo dito sa mundo, kailangan mo lang mag-TikTok. Mag-TikTok siya lagi. Ako naman, nag-video ko kasi syempre, gusto kong mayaanihin kaya magtatanim lang ako. Basa pa rin yung buhok ko. Agay, ang kapal kasi, char. Magano muna ako ng buhok. Ano naman to? Wait, what is that? What is that? Hi, buhay dito sa Saudi.